on it.
Hey, mommy.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, you know I've been on a what mission.
Happy birthday, Kai. I'm so incredibly proud of you. You're the coolest kid I know, and it's probably because you have great genes, right? This is your year, buddy. I'm so happy that you were able to celebrate this time with your family and your friends. Enjoy, my dude. You deserve it. Love you.
Sleep at the gas. No time to wait though. Elon Musk, I'm trying to bankroll. New Tesla just cause I say so. Electric whip like Ivan Van Gogh. I just did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, you know I've been on a mission. Okay, let's get it. I've been on a mission like totally spice.
Hi, Kai. I love you. Happy birthday. Have the day time.
Maar man, then I lie, I'm a lie. En ik voel me net Memphis erbij en ik jag op een goed in de scene. Moest eigenlijk rennen, we lopen misschien. En ik wil niet eens kijken, mijn ogen die zien. En ze reden niet genoeg dat ik koop.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Love you!
I couldn't do it, so I went and did it.
Hey Kai, we wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Guy.
To Diane and Uncle George.
Have a great one.
We're from Miami, but we're in Georgia.
Love you.
Love you. See
Bye.
ya. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kired.
Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and say we love you.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Kai. I miss you. I love you. I want you to have the best day ever because Mom's going to give you the greatest birthday surprise. And call me and tell me all about it. And I will see you this summer sometime. Till then, I love you. Happy birthday.
It's Kired's birthday! It's Kired's birthday! Yay! Woohoo! 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 It's Kired's birthday party! It's Kired's birthday party! It's Kired's birthday party! Say woo! Happy birthday, Kired! Yay!
I hope you have a great birthday and see you on Saturday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kired. I am very sad that I can't be with you in person to celebrate your birthday this year, but I'm super excited about all the things that you got going on. I know that you're on summer right now, but when you get back into school, I know that you're going to have the best time ever. You're getting so old. I'm getting so old. This is making me feel crazy, but I really hope that I can see you soon, and I hope you have the best day ever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kired. Happy birthday to you. Yay! We'll see you on Saturday when they roll out the red carpet. Woo!
Happy birthday, Kired. Love and miss you.
Hi, Kai. Jocko and me wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai. Hope you have a fun day. Birthday, Kai. It's party time.
Happy birthday, Kai. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you. Love you.
Hi, Kai. Happy birthday. I'm sorry I sound like this. I'm a little backed up from my allergies, but I'm proud of you and I love you and I hope to see you soon. Keep up the good work. You're doing amazing. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kai. I just want to say I miss you, and you should go over to meet me sometime so we can hang out. That'd be really fun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai!
Happy birthday.
not what he sounds like. We're so excited to celebrate you on your big day. Bailey, get out of here. Get out of here.
You are such a smart and tall boy.
We love you so much.
We're so excited it's your birthday and we love you so much.
Happy birthday, buddy. We love you.
We're so proud of you, and we're so excited that it's your birthday. We're so excited to spend your birthday with you. We love you so much, kid.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.